this video we learn the 3D toolpath with the Operation Pocket 3D. Open the new one, merge in, insert the model in, zoom, fit, dynamic coordinate, view, isometric, dynamic. We select all first and select, put over here, and we need the axis align the long edge, so we rotate for see it how it align up 90 degree, key 90, enter, okay, close, view, isometric, zoom fit, take the back and we put level, create one level, wireframe, curve all edges, take this surface and select, okay, we use it for later. Toolpath, machine, we use mill, enter, delete toolpath group and 3D pocket, enter, set up sum assign to a number sequentially, warm up duplicate to a number, use two step path colon, yeah, we check all this one, override, clear hay, retract hay, fit plane, and material, we use the steel and use 4140, and stop, use the top plane and all the surface, history we see all the number over here, and okay, make stop, click toolpath menu and add the operation pocket in here, click pocket, the pocket kept over here. Now the pocket remove a lot of stock quickly, creating a series of planar cut. Click here. We can accept the font name or put the name on pocket. Okay, select the surface we run it and select it. Container, this is the stock, it should be cover. Entry point, we can do entry point over here, and over here. About the tool, you would like run the bow, no, and mill, and if we have a high speed and mill, we run it. It's really impressive, and this one is run the inserts 5 indexable and 2 sign. That means we can run 10 times. And this run the it inserts all of them run the same inserts. All set. And if we run the one in end mill, the price is very high. We run the inserts, it take about 30 baht for one, and we run 5 of them and become 50 indexable. We run 10 times. I'll put this in. It run about, let's see, it run about P4140. It run recommendation 350 to 700. SSM I'll put about 500. And if we keep the tool line longer, run about 400, need about 3000. And the feed per tooth from 4 to 8, I'll run at the middle at 6, at a feed per tooth 6, and it's about 70. Run 70. And blend rate, we keep this one, and this I add the tool invert, and we adjust it. One bow and mill 62,000. Yeah, and we adjust over here, one bow and mill 1 inch. I adjust like high fit, deep post. The name is deep post penta 5. the insert. The insert is here. The radius here. The radius of insert thickness here. I remember radius is 60 thou. It said about radius, this the depth of cut, diameter, this the radius over here, the corner radius 3 millimeter. Oh, this is okay, this is from the millimeter, 3 millimeter. The radius over here, take 3 divided 25.4. 3 divided 25.4. The radius 1. Insert side here, red here, corner radius, yeah, radius, yeah, and the tool, we keep this one, keep this, and plane we plane from the top. Home, we use home machine, and next this one retract. We retract at a quarter inch, clear plane at 2, absolute fit plane. We use the fit plane from the absolute, and stock lever we leave a 20 thou for stock, and rub maximum step down we put about 40. This one is recommend we use 40. This one recommend form. This come down here. This actual depth from the 8 to 80. We do at the middle 40, and now we don't use the entry point, but we use the plunge outside the containment boundary, and we use the one way first and step over. We step over about 40%. Rub angle, we rub 1 degree, and one pass after every single pass finish at 10 thou. Okay, 10 thou. This rub we don't need to use the cutter comb. We can set up or override at the machine 50 and 50. Maybe need it, and okay, and right now it's generated. make the tool cut follow the shape over here. This is the plunge down, and we as before we only select the surface, because when we insert in easy include the surface boundary outside, and if we want we can convert to solid, or we turn it off. This first, turn off the toolpath, and we click the parameter, geometry, and we click the select the right surface more, and we select all, tilt it up, see how, okay, and select it, and okay, and regenerate it. Regenerated is only in this one. We show the toolpath, and we see how the toolpath plug in. Can run the back plot. See the toolpath come in, stop. When it come in, right now it's the second pass. View right side, it's the second pass. Front side, step forward, come in, we run slow, see how it in, run. Front side. This is only one way, and this is entrance to the stock, outside the stock, and we use the pocket to rub the open pocket. We can use this dynamic, but we try to see how it run the pocket different the dynamic of the rub, and we can plug it out and run only in. This we don't need the helical down or helical angle to plug it down. We can run faster. And we can manage the toolpath. See the toolpath come in here, and it can get in here, and it we can run the verify keep slow. Now we run the first pass. Oh, I change this one for run the second pass. It's always lung outside. And you see now it plug outside. See slowly. It plug outside to first cut. Needed a big block. We run it the 12 inches roughly, and from this to this roughly from this to this it is 8 inches. 8 times 12 4, and this three 7 8 thickness. This is the rub, and we can use it for rub outside instead. Use the OptiRub high speed 3D OptiRub, because this one is run and plug outside. That's really good for run like end mill both sides for axial and ratio of the cutter, or we can run by the indexable high speed end mill